Here we are on the cusp of 2026, time for a reality check. In a few days, we'll be living in the future everyone's been panicking about. AI in 2026 isn't a blockbuster movie. It's more like a straight-to-streaming indie film. Less about world-ending robots, more about slightly more helpful software. The real story is subtler, awkward, more interesting. We're going to cut through the noise, separate myths from reality, and figure out what this AI business means for you, including getting your smart fridge to stop suggesting kale smoothies. Let's start where most of our lives happen, at home, probably on the couch, trying to find something to watch. The AI of 2026 isn't a robot butler polishing your silverware, mostly because who even has silverware anymore? It's integrated into what you already use, a supercharged assistant that's brilliant and a bit dim-witted at the same time. Think smart speakers and home devices, but with a slightly better education. They'll move beyond the weather and actually understand a bit more about your daily chaos, connecting dots in your world of data. For example, plan a dinner party for 6 on Saturday. Vegetarian menu, no mushrooms because Dave is weird about mushrooms. It cross-references your calendar, pulls recipes, and generates a grocery list organized by aisle. Amazing when it works. It saves mental heavy lifting. However, and this is a big however, it's far from infallible. It's like an eager intern who mainlined the entire internet. It will make mistakes. It might plan a party for 60 people, all named Dave who hate mushrooms, or confidently insist vegetarian lasagna needs ground beef. It's only as good as its data and your clarity. You can't set it and forget it. You're the manager, final checker, the one who says, no, not beef lasagna at a vegetarian party. Reality in 2026, convenience with required supervision. It'll streamline tasks, offer suggestions, and sometimes mess up spectacularly. It helps organize your life, but won't live it for you. You'll still do the cooking, the hosting, and the apologizing when it adds mushroom-scented candles for Dave. Now the fun stuff, the AI that makes things. In 2026, voice and image tools grow from novelties into creative partners, moving from look what this weird thing made to hey, this can actually help me do my job. Voice AI will sound astonishingly human, with specific tones, inflections, emotional nuances, perfect for narrations and audio versions of articles. One use case, small business owners and creators, making a promo for an artisanal dog biscuit brand? Type the script, pick a warm, trustworthy voice, and get a professional voiceover in minutes. Image AI is a game changer. Happy golden retriever, tiny chef's hat, rustic kitchen, a dozen options on tap. Like a designer on speed dial who never sleeps, but power increases limits and misuse. Voice AI still whiffs sarcasm and cultural context. It can clone a voice, miss the soul. Image AI's weirdness remains a feature. Perfect dog, 6 legs, oven melting into the floor. The weird AI art aesthetic isn't going away. Bigger problem, mischief. More convincing deepfakes mean it's harder to tell what's real. Great for brainstorming and prototypes, but not a substitute for judgment, ethics, or final polish. These tools are the starting point. The human remains the director, sifting the weird, the wonderful, and the 6-legged dogs to find the perfect shot. The job talk sounds like a horror trailer. This year, they're coming for your jobs. Reality in 2026. Less dramatic, more collaborative. AI won't show up Monday to fire everyone. It's embedded as a superpowered assistant. For writers, marketers, analysts, designers, programmers, it handles grunt work, freeing brainpower for strategy, creativity, critical thinking. Marketing pros will analyze massive behavior data, spot trends, and draft initial copy faster. AI does the sifting in minutes, a human's days. The job isn't obsolete, it's changed. Less data entry, more on what does this actually mean? What's the most creative way to reach this audience? The AI provides the what, the human provides the so what. The top skill in 2026 isn't a specific app, it's working with AI. Asking better questions. Prompt engineering is the new literacy. Expect retraining and upskilling. Some repetitive roles, data entry, basic customer service, will see automation. The transition has challenges, but mass unemployment is overblown. Jobs rooted in empathy, nuance, and ethics, therapists, investigative journalists, senior strategists, kindergarten teachers, aren't going anywhere. AI can write a report. It can't build trust or inspire a team. It's a coworker, not the new CEO. Learn to partner with it, not fear it. With powerful tech flooding in, The big question is, who is making the rules? By 2026, the Wild West starts to calm. Governments, industry bodies, and companies move from talk to implementing first-gen AI safety rules. Early rules focus on transparency and accountability. High-stakes systems must show how models work and what data trained them, the Show Your Work rule for algorithms. These are first steps, not full solutions, basic traffic laws for a brand new car. We've set basics like stopping at red, but we're still figuring out speed limits, seatbelts, and the monster truck guy in a school zone. 2026 aims to prevent obvious harms, egregious bias, and no recourse after harmful decisions, and sets a baseline for responsibility. But bigger issues, jobs long-term, AI consciousness debates, global AI races, are decade-long problems. Tech moves faster than regulation. While rules for today are debated, tomorrow's AI is being built. The 2026 rulebook is living, updated constantly. More guardrails, yes, but responsibility still falls on us. Rules add a safety net, not risk elimination. We must be critical consumers, question outputs, and advocate for human-aligned policies. Safety and ethics aren't one-time events, they're ongoing. We're not just building tech, we're building the society that lives with it, and that takes all of us. Time to pour cold water on the hottest myths. Myth, all-powerful AGI is imminent. Reality, we're nowhere near it, not even close. 2026 AI is narrow, great at trained tasks, clueless outside. It can beat chess grandmasters. It can't make a sandwich. No consciousness, no desires, no self-awareness. A complex statistical machine, not a thinking being. Your toaster won't judge your life choices. It'll just burn your toast. Myth, AI steals all jobs. Reality, transformation. Some tasks automate, new roles emerge. Like cars replacing carriages, we got mechanics, factory workers, highway engineers, drive-through attendants. 2026 adds AI trainers, ethics auditors, prompt engineers. The future is adaptation, not extinction. Myth, fix bugs and AI is unbiased. Reality, AI learns from our messy world. No magic unbiased button, only vigilance, diversity, and ongoing testing. What should you do? Be curious and skeptical. Engage in small ways. See where AI shines and where it fails. Treat it like any tool. Start low stakes. Always check its work. Never paste blind. That's how, as a large language model ends up in your boss's inbox.